Yo, I just want to give y'all a shout out. Somebody just told me that the last live I just did was unlisted, and I gotta give y'all a shout out. Why? Because we had 1,000 people in an unlisted video. That mean the notification wasn't going out. So man, yo, y'all my dogs. Let's get it. I appreciate y'all, man. Yo, Don DeMarco for the family. Yo, Don DeMarco for the love. Man, yo, let's get it. Let's get it. Y'all always showing out, man. I'm telling you, every time something happen, something go wrong, they delete me on YouTube or something crazy happen. Man, y'all my dogs. Let's get, yo, I appreciate y'all, man. You wouldn't even understand how real it is, man. I'm telling you that right now. I appreciate y'all so much I could cry. I want y'all to really, and I ain't even crying either. You know what I'm saying? But I'm telling you, I feel it, baby. I feel it. So let's see what's going on. Shiba new token again. He said, we going. Somebody said Neo is mooning. We come back to Shiba new Twitter in a second. Somebody said Neo is headed to the moon. Let's see. Let's get it, baby. Discord fam. Let's see if we finally up again. On this. Oh, family. So I'm green on the Apple puts. Discord fam. If you are nervous, go ahead and jump out. I'm green on the Apple puts. So far, so good. Remember, we never bet against Apple for too long. Neo call. We like to see Neo pump up. We need some more. So join the Discord. I got the link at the top of the chat. You come be a part of my family. Let's get it. We all family, baby. But again, never bet against Apple for too long. But right now, they showing weakness. We never let green days make us forget about red days. Remember that. But if you're getting weary, then guess what? You could let it go. If you're getting weary, you could let it go. At this point, I would say we could throw a stop loss on the Apple put in case it's trying to pump, right? Because it is bouncing off of this support. But we could put a like a 10%. Yeah, Discord fam. Since Apple is going in our favor, since we are in an Apple put right now, you always want to get out on top. Right? We want to see Apple crash like a rock, right? We love Apple. Notice, I'm in Apple very long term. Yo, the Disney calls is pumping too. Let's get it. We just jumped into a Disney call too. Discord fam, let's get it. Let's go, Disney. So, charge point, they getting smoked. So we got into a charge point call too. To play the high risk. We're going to keep it real. We're going to keep it raw. The Apple one is going in our favor. The Disney one is going in our favor. Shout out to Disney. Charge point is not going in our favor. But we gave ourselves enough time so we could win. So right now I'm down. Yeah, I'm getting smoked in the charge point one. But I might average down on it and give it some time. But right now I'm getting smoked. But again, it's high risk, high reward, baby. They say you got to risk it to get to the biscuit. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Scared money don't make no money. I might even average down on this one, on the charge point one. But for now, I'm going to chill. I gave myself until January. So for now, I'm going to chill. But let's see. Because it might come down even more. So let's see what's up. Disney is good. Let's see. And let's go to Apple. Because Apple is starting to come back up a little bit on some retracement. The support is at this 170 right here. First 15 minutes in the market. So let's see. Palantir is down. Lucid is down again. Astra is back into the 8s. AMC is coming back down to the low 30s. Let's get it. Let's get it. You said Disney Pentagon news. I got to check that out too. You say you try to connect the Discord family. So if you're on the Patreon, just send me a message. All right. So now we'll come back to these. We'll come back to these. So AMC is coming down. I might jump into, let's see. We want to see what charge point does, because I might jump into something else. So, all right. Now Apple is starting to pump. Remember, we never, ever, ever bet against Apple for too long. So this would be an indicator of a bullish run right about, let's get our lines up. Let's get our lines up right here. We want to see if it rejects. We want to see if it rejects or not. It might not. Apple, let me tell you something about Apple. It's a banger. It's a banger. Now let's check out a few indicators, right? We were talking about one yesterday. We were talking about the MACD, but this was a Discord thing. So notice, and let's look at it on the daily chart actually. So it's still actually showing strength. The MACD under here, and then the indicator line is under it. So it might actually come down still. But remember, indicators are not perfect. Right now we're riding on this resistance right here, but let's see. Let's see what happens. So good morning, family. Thoughts on DraftKings option? You said Neo is pumping. We love it. We love to see it. We absolutely love to see it. Disney is pumping too. Charge point is high risk earnings play getting smoked. You said join the Discord. Let's get it. You said gotta check that SPY too. Oh yeah, family. So we were talking about this yesterday too. So the Qs, right? So potentially, depending on what the SPY does, if the SPY is flat, we want to steer clear of this. But if the SPY is like being very volatile, we can run, like for example, this coming down like this, we can run a crazy call on the Qs and then run up with the Qs if the SPY is doing this. But let's keep it. Let's see. But before anything else, because we don't want to rush, right? We don't want to rush. So what I'll do is this. Let me go back to Apple and see if it's time that I could just get one quick average down in. Let's see. Nope, not yet. Not yet. Again, and if you are in an Apple put and you are some type of nervous, as soon as it goes green, it's okay to just let it go. And then you can always jump in at a better point. Okay, so now look at this. We are showing some strength. And look at the RSI is normal. RSI is normal. On the day, it's overbought. So in a few days, we might see it come down. But for now, it's definitely overbought. But not a lot. Not a lot. Okay, let me get this MACD up out of here. Bam. And let's go back and check out. You said good morning. You said looking to average down on charge point. Yeah, I would too. Before I just let it go. But for now, I'm just going to chill. So then the SPY is showing this weakness early. Very early. So then let's look at the Qs. Qs is pumping. All right, family. So Discord fam, let's say, look at the Qs. They're pumping. So I'm looking to do potential high risk, high reward play on the Qs while the SPY is coming down. Ticker symbol SQQQ. Currently $6, as you can see. And it's pumping, but it's doing literally the opposite of the SPY. So as the SPY starts to come back up, this one should start to cool on down. And you see it happening. You said charge point. Yeah, we talked about that. Charge point is down bad after the earnings. But again, anytime you play earnings, you playing with fire, baby. You playing with fire. Straight up. Okay, so now let's see. And again, notice too. Notice how bipolar the market can be. Look at this. Immediately after market, hey, shot up. And then it came on down. Come on down, baby. Come on down. Come on down. So I didn't get into the Q1 yet. We're gonna see what it does. But I can definitely see it pumping. Let's zoom out on a daily chart. Notice, long term, this one is down. So running this is like running a put. If you're running a call on this, this is like running a put. So you don't want to be in it for long if you get in. All right, so let's go back to the SPY and let that SPY keep coming up. SPY is going up. Apple is going back up. Apple did break into these points right here. So let's see. With this, I might just jump into an Apple call and try to make some money and ride this momentum. Let's see. And ride this momentum up. However, I'm still in the put. I'm still in the put. All right, no rush, no rush. Let's come back to this. So let's check this out. Let's get this over with the Shiba Inu one. So Shiba Inu, they have 2.2 million followers on Twitter, and they do have a blue check. Shout out to the Shiba Inu holders. Let's get it. So I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell Shiba Inu, but I will keep you up to date on what's going on. So 13 hours ago, they said that they're extremely excited, right, to work with this studio, one of the best AAA studios, meaning one of the top tier dogs in the game. Shout out to you, family. Appreciate you for the super chat. Much love. Much love for that, right? So they're working with this studio right here, Playside Studios, right? And they said they're going to deliver incredible games, blah, 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 blah. They said William Volk. We knew about that. We knew about that. But good. Hey, we see them getting forward with it. Now, Shiba Army, we're excited for the future. He said, let's give a warm welcome again to the Playside, blah, blah, blah. We got it. And they said they signed the contract. So that non-disclosure agreement that they were talking about, this is it. This is it. Official announcement. Playside and Shiba Inu Games signed a strategic work-for-hire contract. Work-for-hire contract. So I'm not going to go into the details on that, but they got a contract going. And they said the strategic agreement with Shiba is a fixed price. They said it's milestone-based agreement. So they're trying to get here, there, and then they're going to pay it as basically the projects are done to develop a multiplayer collectible card game. Okay, so it's a card game, which is planned to be released on multiple platforms. So it's a card game. What does that sound like, family? It sounds like Pokemon. It sounds like Digimon, not Digimon. It sounds like Pokemon. It sounds like Yu-Gi-Oh! All of these kind of things. So that's what the kind of game is going to be. Instead of you controlling a character that's walking around like in Grand Theft Auto, they're saying that it's going to be a multiplayer collectible card game. That's what they're trying to go for. So now we know something new about Shiba Inu that we may not have known yesterday. Somebody said Disney is running. That's interesting. I want to see how it looks because I'm not really into card games like that. Like I play, I might play cards with actual regular cards, but something like that, I have not. Who's ready for war with Russia? What's going on with you, family? What you talking about? You said Doge, Elon Musk. Yeah, I talked about that before. Are they running? Let's give them a check out. Doge line. I don't remember their. Here we go. Doge Elon. Oh, it's Elon is their ticker. So let's zoom out. So they're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 1, 2, 3, 5 zeros and 12. That's where they are right now. 5 zeros and 12. Circulating supply is about 500. That's a lot. But again, it's like that sometimes. And this is billion. So 553,000 billion. So I want to say what? Trillion? What are you talking about here? All right, yeah. So let's keep it going. Let's see the holders. What's going on with this? Top 100 holders own 82% of all of the coins. But again, is there a dead wallet? Who knows? Let's see. So this is the wallet. This is the top wallet right here. Is this an Ethereum token? I think it is. Because if it is, we can check the Ether scan. Yep, we can. So then let's do it. Let's check the Ether scan on it. Holders is going up 100 and whatever thousand. Now we're looking at this contract. Age 2. Yeah, family. I think this top wallet right here, it might be an active wallet. I don't think it's a dead wallet. I'm checking. I don't know. So the wallet that we're looking at, the top wallet, 761. This is the Doge Elon Musk. Let's check if it's moving or things are moving into it. Can't tell. Can't tell. Let me just go double check if that's the number. No, this is it. 1-8. All right, so let's look this up. Doge Elon Musk, they hold 43%. We're doing the research, family. This is the background stuff that you don't normally see. All right, so let's look at the holders right here. And then let's just double check. So I can't even pronounce this, but this foundation is the top holder. Let's see if they're moving things out or only in? So they haven't done anything at all. Nothing has even been moved in there. How's my health? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's see. You said the top wallet is dead like Shib? Yeah, I couldn't pronounce that, family. And you know me. I never heard it said out loud. So, hey. Raquel, shout out to you, family. Join the family. So, yeah, this one has not moved at all in 209 days. It's saying VB. I don't know if they're trying to say this is Vitalik again. Who knows? It could be. Could be. Definitely could be, but we do not know at this very moment. We do not know at this very moment. All right, so let's check this out. Let's see. So Apple is showing some strength. Apple is showing some strength. I would be willing to, at this very moment, I could get back I'm still in the put, but I'll be willing to get out of the put and get into a call. I want to see what happens right here at this line. It's pumping by it. It's pumping by it. So now this is telling me that put that I'm in, it's telling me don't be afraid to hedge it with the call, like a more high risk call, meaning a tomorrow day trade call. So let's see. Let's go to what we got. Here we go. So I'm Discord fam. I'm about to jump in. About to put $1,000 in and I'll send it to you. Let me see if I can get in. The spread is not that crazy. Let me see. What we doing today, Apple? Let me see where this resistance line is. So it's looking like it's right here. Weak resistance, but right here. And I'm going to make this one red so you can see it. But overall, I think Apple is showing strength. I think Apple is showing strength, family. But let's see. So we in this wedge. We want to see if it's going to break this. Right here in this wedge. But it looks like it's going to pop up. And let's look at the SPY. Now the SPY has also turned green. Charge point is trying to bounce up a little bit. Neo is coming back up after a quick cool down. Okay. So let's see. What we doing, Apple? What we doing? We breaking down or we going up? Okay. So we broke it. All right, Discord fam. I'm jumping into a day trade on Apple right now. I'm going to put this one. I'm going to put it on stocks of the week. I'm still holding on to the put. So I just put that up. I'm still in a put, but I'm in a call as well. I'm down 10% on the put. Oh, wait, I got the wrong one. My bad. I ain't get the wrong one. I'm looking at the wrong things. Hold up. I'm trying to get into a day trade on this for... Yo, come on, Apple. Let me get up. There we go. I got to switch from puts to calls. Options. Now we broke into... There we go. Come on down, pick me up. I'm gonna put like 1,000 into this. At 123. Now it's at 126. Where we at? Yo, Apple is pushing, baby. It's hard to get this fill. I'm trying to, let me modify the order. And let me look at the RSI, see if it's overbought or oversold on the minute chart. You know how the first few minutes are of this. All right, cool. Okay, so now, first of all, on the put, what I'm about to do is once we get closer to, let me call it, I didn't just get in yet. I'm looking to average down on a put first. Let me get into this. So I'm going to buy another one of the put. However, I'm looking to get out of the put, but I just want to just average down first. So I'm buying another one. I'll put it up there right now. All right. So the put, I'm trying to average down on the put. I just put it there. I'm looking to exit the put and re-enter later. But I am averaging down first. All right, I got that filled. Cool. So now, let's see. So first I averaged down on that put. I didn't jump in the call just yet, but it's retracing, so I'm looking to. Okay. Come on, Apple put. Get me paid. You said, Apple, come on down, right? But this looks like retracement, family. This looks like retracement. Don't get too happy about that. We would love for it to just drop, da 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 da, right? But let's be clear. Let's make some sense. Come on down, Apple. Come on down. Okay, so now let's see if it's time. For that retracement to be over or not. So I average down on my put right here. So that was solid. However, I am okay. So that put, I'm now up on it. All right. So Discord fam, I'm going to send you where I am right now with that put that I just averaged down on. I have 2 now. It's on stocks of the week. Now we're getting some retracement. We could get rid of this line. We don't need it anymore. Now we're finding that weak support right here. Let's see. If we spike back up very briefly, I'm going to average down on the 165 as well. Right now I'm down 8% on the 165. I'm green on the 175. The Disney call, I'm going to show everybody right here. This Disney call family, I'm looking to let it go. All right. So if you want to see what I'm talking about, join the Discord family. This Disney call from yesterday, I told you, I like $100 bills, right? I like $100 bills, so I'm looking to let this one go. I'm looking to let that one go. And now, Apple, I want to see if we're going to enter into, are we going to break out of this retracement and hold this line? So right now, we have this little weak resistance, which we could delete now. So this is looking like solid entry on a call. All right, so now, let's see. I'm looking for Apple calls right now. DocuSign is pumping. Hold up. Is it in the 150s? Not 150s. Did it approach the, yeah, I guess 150s? Okay, no, not yet. It's getting to a very strong resistance again, but it is pumping. Okay. So yeah, Apple showing that strength, baby. Showing that strength. Somebody said allegedly, supposedly. Oh, yeah. Let's not forget about the Qs. So it looks like the SPY is trying to stay stagnant right now. So I told you yesterday that I'm looking for a play on the Qs, right? But you don't want to play it and theta is eating you up. If the SPY is stagnant, you want the SPY to be either shooting up or shooting down. You said Disney is pushing. It is pushing, but I'm looking to let go of that other one while it's up. All right, yeah. So now Apple is telling me to get into a call day trade with bouncing off of this ascending line. However, to be honest, I wanted to just drop. But again, you got to remember, trading, especially if you want to trade professionally or something like that, you got to remember, it's not fun every day, but some days it's real fun. You see what I'm saying? Let's see if we break down or not. I didn't get into a call just yet, but I want to see. It's looking like we in call territory, though. But this one is these indicators. Let's go over to another indicator like we were talking about yesterday, the MACD. So if I seem focused, it's because I am. Just know. I could just chill and just back and just relax, but I'm focused. So look, you see these? There's some negative momentum, but it should be followed by some positive momentum. But there's a lot of negative momentum with these red little lines under here. You said Disney, let it go, right? I like that. I like that. You know I like that. Right? Sometimes we just got to chill and let it go. Okay, but we pumping up. So let me go back. Okay. So we have a high, we have a lower high. We want to see what happens over here. 3 green candles, 1 red, 1 and 2 green. Let's see. So I'm about to buy. Before anything else, family, let's go back to charge point. It's coming back down. I'm down basically half of the position in terms of the call. But it was, again, high risk, high reward play. You said it's EV go or bust? Let's check them out. I would say I like this under $10. Under 10 or somewhat at 10. Under 10 or somewhat at 10. So yeah, Disney is pumping. Disney is pumping. I'm up now 150 on that. Yeah, so I'm up 150 on that. But I'm about to let it go. I should have let it go already. I'm going to jump out of this. Let me see how many I have, first of all. I might just be in one. So right now, on the Disney one is pushing. The charge point one is getting smoked. You know, we keep it real, we keep it raw. Disney is pumping, charge point is getting smoked. So look, I'm up a lot. I'm going to sell one of them right now. I got 2 of them. I'm going to sell one of them. I'm going to sell one of them. If the other one pumps, it pumps. But all right. So I sold one of the Disney just now. So now I have less. Now I have less of it. And if it pumps up a little bit more, I'll sell it again. Okay. Charge point. Hold up.
It don't move.
Let's go back. Charge point. It's coming back down here again. I'm chilling. I got time. So you said, will Lucid recover? In my opinion, absolutely. 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 Why did I sell Disney? I only sold one of them. I'm holding the other one. So that's a great question, right? That's a great question. So take a look at this. I love that you asked me that. Whenever you're getting into any trade, right? Whenever you get into any trade, you got to know from the jump, what are you in it for? If you in it and just see whatever happens, you're going to lose a lot. But if you have specific targets, you can hit your target and then let it go, right? So I tell the family, I like $100 bills, right? So sometimes if I see a $100 bill and I'm like, this is enough for me, I'll get out, right? You see what I'm saying? Because I want to sell when I'm up. So check this out. I made 150. I had 2 of them worth $950. I just sold. I must take a screenshot bad. I just sold, and now I got half of that 150 in the game still, and it's at 72. So I just sold half. I'm looking to get out again, right? But if you notice, look, the percentage is actually coming down because the momentum must have slowed down. So I must have really sold that one at the top so far. It could still go up. Yeah, I sold it at the top so far. It could come down and then go back up. You see what I'm saying? But so far I sold it at the top. Yeah, now it's at 14. Now it's at 13. But do you see what I'm saying? When you are trading, let me show you this again. You got to have targets. And when you hit your target, you just say, okay, that's good. You say, okay, that's good, that's fine. All right, so look, Apple is still going up. But yeah, check this out. So did I just put that up or not? Yeah, here we go. Look, now I got one, and it went down from 18% to 13%. All right, so family, look. I am about to jump into an Apple call. I meant to been jump into Apple call, but now I'll just do it. I'm going to get into one for... I'm going to put like 1,000 in there. See if I get this fill price. Let me just see. So I'm going to put it on stocks of the week. High risk Apple day trade. I might change the price though, but I'm going to show you it. Day trade to hedge the put. I'm still in the put. I'm trying to get filled. Oh yeah, that's not gonna fill now. This thing really, really, really pumping. But I chill and see. Let's see. Come on, Apple. Give me a little red candle. Come on back down here. Check stocks of the week. It don't. Come on, Apple. You could do it. I need an Apple button. Some type of Apple button. Okay. So now it dropped. So I'm in. All right. So again, just know, family, when you trading, you playing a contact sport. You playing a contact sport. It's straight up like that. So we try to get in the call right here at the support. So far, so good. I can see Apple pushing up to the 175. Let's see, did it pass 175 yet? I mean, literally ever. No. So the next resistance is going to be 173.88, and we're right under that, but we're showing strength. Look like we're going to burn through it. I'm still in the puts. My call is very short term. My short position is longer term. And my long position is literally forever. So Kenan, real talk, real Discord talk. You, Uncle Larry. Yo, let's go, family. Appreciate you. You say you rock, Uncle Larry, cousin Stockmo. But why not Chris? I don't know what you're talking about. What not? What not? Why do you do, can you do a class with cover calls and puts? Yes, I'm working on that right now as we speak. I'm working on that. Literally working on that. Okay. So let's see. The one. So I'm going to bring my average down on. I'm going to jump out. I'm going to let go of the 165 put. I'm going to hold on to the 175 put. I'm going to let go of the 165. I'm going to hold on to the 175. So Discord fam, I'm letting go of the Apple 165 put. So you see how it's coming down? It's giving me a chance to get out of it really quickly. Okay, I am out of the 165 put. I'm still in the 175. My call is going up. You said switch over to Discord Live. You said the people's chant. Let's go. Let's go. I'm holding the 175. I'm going to show you exactly what I have right now. Oh, let's just do this thing. I might see something real quick. I might want to get another 175 when we get to 175. So look, I'm going to share with you where I am with my entire Apple position on my Webull account on the Discord. My long position, my hedge, my short is not doing well. I'm down 9%. So I might cut it. Here we go. All right, so you can check that out. You said green is great. That's right. And you got to know when to let them go, when to hold them, know when to fold them. So I still think that this 175 could really make some money. However, you don't want to go out. I could always re-enter it. You see what I'm saying? So now that I see Apple showing its strength basically all day, there's no point in riding this up. So I'm going to let go. And you got to really know. Sometimes you just got to let it go, family. Let it go. The 175 put, I'm going to let it go. We do not let ourselves go down 1,000,000% when we can always jump back in another day. You got to play that offense. You got to play that defense. And never let your pride get in the way of the profits. You feel me? Let me see. What am I trying to... Never let your pride get in the way of the profits. You will go broke. All right. So Discord fam, I'm going to hit you up again. And I'm going to show you that now I'm just in a call. So we don't hold on to losers. All right, so I hope everybody is watching what I'm doing, particularly everybody on the Discord fam. So notice, I got in a put. I averaged down on my put right here, and then I rode it down a little bit, and then I let it go. I rode another one up here. I let it come down a little bit, and then I let it go. And then I'm straight in calls. Straight in calls. We cut out of losers, and then we roll into the winners, right? You cut out of a loser, and you roll into a winner. So now, this is why I tell you don't have a million different... Yo, look, we pumping now. Now I'm up 20%. I could have been headstrong, right? They say a hard head make a soft account, right? That ain't what they say, but you know what I mean. Check this out. I really hope y'all paying attention. I'm looking to get back into a put on Apple, but I'm really trying to do this so y'all can see. So look, notice I was in a put on Apple, and then I averaged down and then jumped out. So now this call that I just got in today, I'm now up 20%. But however, net, I want to say I lost 100 on one of the calls, and then I lost like $20 on another call. So I'm up like $80 totally on this, but I'm up on this. You see what I'm saying? I'm up, and I could just straight jump out. And then I got a long position that's pushing up too. But again, I want y'all to really, really pay attention to what I'm doing here so you can see. And like, I know what's going to happen is some people are going to say, yo, Kenan, it's going to be like, what's it, December 8th? It's going to be like December 18th. Yo, we still in the Apple puts? I'm telling you, if you want a Discord, I promise you, please follow Stocks of the Week. I'm going through literally step by step as to everything that I'm doing. Why not average down instead of losing? Because I could jump back in. And it would have the same effect, especially tax wise, as averaging down because of the wash sale rule. But instead of just chasing good money, bad money with good money, you see what I'm saying? Boom. Now, when we get under the 175, I could jump back into a put once we start to see that weakness again. So take a look. We were talking about this before. The MACD right here, we haven't been talking about this a lot, but I was talking about this on the Discord yesterday. Let me write something on the Discord too. Please read. Before you go down 1,000,000%, I want you to make sure that you see what I'm saying. I am looking to get back in the Apple puts, but am not riding the wave up. Okay. On a put. Okay. So here we go. I want to get back. So you said you a Shibaholic. Let's get it. You said anyone join Discord? Yep, the link is above. So yeah, I see headphones in the chat. I appreciate you, family. So now that we're getting to the 175, and look, do you see this? MACD level is kind of giving us an indicator that it wants to cross. So it's telling us that we are getting very, very close to a chance to then jump back in the put. But we didn't have to lose money riding it on the way up, right? So now we could potentially jump into a put, the same exact put, and then make some money on the way down and let go of the call. But that's a day trade. So right here, technically right here would be a support. So let's make that support green. That's not good. Let's make it blue. All right. So we want to see what happens here. So then the MACD, right? We got our indicator over here, and it basically crossed it. So then let's see what happens. The RSI has cooled off, but it's coming back down to a support. But again, we chilling. You said it's getting hot in the kitchen. Oven mitts, let's get it. And yo, family, I'm seeing a lot of people talking about, and I'm not telling you to buy this, but you let me know what's going on. So why won't Robinhood do options? You got to apply. Right. You don't bet against Apple for too long. Never. Never, never, never. You said Discord fire. Let's get it. Let's get it. So now, again, now that we coming all the way up here, just know I'm looking to reestablish that put. I'm still in the stock long. So let's see. Check this out. This is what I have. Apple 175 call. It went up 20%, 210. I cut out of the other ones, straight up. Cut out of them. My long position is up 40% on my trading account. I had two puts. I got out of them. I'm looking to reestablish and get back in them. But we don't want to lose money just sitting in them on the way up. Sending love from Toronto. Can you please look at GOFF? You was up 33K on last Monday. It ran up. So I haven't heard about this one. This is a new one for me, family. GOFF. OTC. Oh, you playing with fire. Fire. All right, yeah. So this one is a new one to me. It's down 3% on a day. Real choppy. The volume is very, very low. So you're playing with fire, family. Just know that. I want you to take your time. And if you go up like that on a play like this, make sure that you get in, you get up, and then you get out when it makes sense. Get in, get up, get out when it makes sense. So now, let's see. And let's go back to another play. Let's see if Disney is back up. That call to 60%. I'm in a charge point call that's down real bad. Let's see. But the charge point call, I picked up 5 of them. I'll say I will pick up another similar one. But I kind of wanted it to come back down. So you see all of this? Look at this. A lot of selling pressure straight up out the gate. Straight up. Charge point. So we can let charge point chill. But I'm down enough that I'm willing to average down on it before I get up out of this. But for now, I'll chill. For now, I'll chill. I'll let it get back into the teens, and then I'll consider getting down and getting out of that. So let's see if DocuSign broke. So it just gap filled. It filled this gap back up. Shout out to that. You said Apple is pumping. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Please, Discord fam, tell me that you are seeing. Somebody said, am I still in Disney? I have one. I sold one. Let's go back. Apple is experiencing some selling pressure. You said, wow, Apple's going nuts. Yeah, and we got it to a call. Ethereum look like it's pumping. Let's go. All right, yeah. So now, I'll look for some more plays and do all of that. What I want you to do, if you are not done so already, is join the Discord so you could be up on all of the plays and you can see how we're running it. I tell you literally how I'm getting down, what I'm buying. I tell you all of that. It is what it is. You see what I'm saying? Eric said charge point, it really don't move.
It don't move.
Let's get it. But charge point is a banger. Never count them out, family. Never count them out. It's coming down to the teens. So again, we can average down on that and we be all right. So let's see. SPY is flat. I wanted to run some calls on Qs, but I didn't do it yet. You said like the video. Oh yeah, hit the like button, family. See if we got 50% likes. I don't know if I asked you this time. We close. We very close. Thanks, Kenan. Join the Discord, family. I'm switching over to the beast, the big dog, Discord Live. Family, so I see you on Discord Live, and let's handle everything we got going on. The wins, the losses, let's make it all make sense, and let's better our situation so we can win more than we lose. I love y'all. I see you in the next one. Again, if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, before I get out of here, family, we gotta finish the video off. I said AMC, Entertainment, the beast, the big dog, the banger. Let's go. AMC is currently $31. It just took a little bit of a rocket. It ran up. I got to show y'all this, family. Jeez Louise. Oh, my. Watch this. So, Stonko Tracker. When I looked at this yesterday, I was telling myself, wow, it's at 6 million. Family, there are 6 million shares. There are 6 million shares available to borrow. What does that mean? You hear how the short interest it can get crazy high, right? Crazy high. Family, the short sellers could borrow 6 million shares and then short them into the market. And I'm not telling you to scare you, but I want you to understand that your opponent literally has a loaded weapon that they can activate at any time. Now, these are the real shares. These aren't even the synthetic shares. So, again, just be mindful of that. If you're looking to load up on AMC, you gotta be able to beat your chest, baby, and you gotta be a real ape, because I'm telling you, it gets crazy out here. It gets real crazy out here. So, again, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I see you over on Discord Live. I'll catch you over there, baby. Again, if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in index funds. I love y'all. Take care.